Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom URI. So basically that would be, if you want to give somebody your YouTube details to come and look you up, they can write in www.youtube.com/ then the name of your channel. Right, to do this, well, before we start, what I have to say is, you know, when you're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers to be eligible for monetization, well, in order to be able to do this, you have to get, unless it's changed, you can check, try doing it, but you have to get 100 subscribers. I hit that the other week and I tried straight away and it weren't working, so I left it a few days and I'm trying again today. I'm on 245 subscribers now within a month, so I'm not doing bad, and it's ready. So here goes, and what you have to bear in mind, once you've done it once, you can't change it. At least you only get to do it a couple of times, and within you have to wait a certain length of time, so be careful, don't make no mistakes. Right, first of all, what you need to do is go to your channel, go to customize channel, Hi guys, welcome to my channel, all about YouTubers. I'm gonna have to cut that out, sorry about that. Anyway, what I was saying was, get to channel customization and you're gonna see layout, branding and basic info. Click on basic info and this is your bio, where you tell people about your channel. Go down. When you're eligible, before it didn't say this at all. This is me doing it now the first time, so you know what I did get to do was, before I made a Facebook page and there's my name, so look, Facebook / all about YouTubers 13. Now you're gonna have the same thing, but it's gonna be www.youtube.com / all about YouTubers 13. So basically, set your URI. When you do that, you're gonna see this. That's what it is at the moment. If you want to change it yourself, go to this bottom here, this next one, and see what it is. It automatically it was that before, as you can see, that big loads of numbers, and automatically it's just my channel name. So I can just keep it as that, or you can add whatever letters you want on it, like that. Obviously I just want to keep it on this, but if for some reason you wanted to change this bit here, this all about YouTubers, for a split instant, get to settings, get to your channel name, change your channel name to whatever you want to show here, then come back to here, set this how we're going to set it now. Once it's done, that's it, then it'll stay like that. Then go back and change your channel name. Simple, easy. So that's if you want it to be different to this, you're just going to have to temporarily change your channel name. Right, now I want it www.youtube.com / all about YouTubers 13. That's it, nothing more, nothing less. That's my channel's name, as you can see here. That's what I want, so I'm happy with that. So all I'm going to do now is publish. Then it's going to say once a custom URL has been set, it can't be changed or transferred to a different channel, and your custom URL is ready to be set, and this is it, which is exactly what I want. Preferably, if I could have, I would have got rid of this HTTP and I would have only just put one / there, so, but you can't. I'm sorry to say that this bit automatically comes with it. I think at one time they could, because I have seen some other channels with just the one, just the one / but that's what I want, and it's automatically showing that. Remember, if you wanted to change from that temporary, change your channel name, do this, then it's set, then changing channel name back. This is setting, look, it's going to stay like this, it's been set regardless. So you're doing what I'm going to be doing now. I've confirmed it. I didn't mean to press it that quick, but I did. Simple, done it. Yeah, copy. Yeah, now if I wanted to put my, say, this address now, custom URL on my Facebook, yeah, just go here, copy it, Now just pretend I'm on my Facebook now, and I'm on a section where I want to write a link. Just click where you want to write it, right click, because we copied, paste, ta-da! Hey, there's my custom URL for YouTube. Wicked. And that I'm going to do that now on my Facebook page, because I've just created a Facebook page. I suggest you do the same. And also a big treat, get a vidIQ and download the free basics, because what it does is it tells you exactly, look at this for free, how many hours people have watched my videos in the last month. I mean, how many hours in the last 4 weeks? 776, but it's 800 and something now. In the last 60 minutes, 26. In the last 48 hours, 940. 4,100 views. My channel's only 3 weeks old. This is brilliant. 445 subscribers. So make sure you download that. And it has COE on it, which is basically when you want to name a channel, it tells you how many times people search for it and what is the competition. So then you can basically play about with the heading, the channel name, until you got that perfect one where there's a high people searching for it and there's low competition. Mark my words, do both them things now, and congratulations, we've both now got our own channel name. Let's view it. I've already viewed it, but let's just see. Okay, well, I know what it is anyway. I just thought by magic it'd be there, but you know, and this is going to come back on and do our heads in again. That's my introduction to my channel, but just because I've already copied it, right click just to show you again, paste, there it is, there's my name. Well, hey, you're gonna have the same thing. Anyway, that's it for today. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach my 1,000 subscribers and I need your help. At the very least, please like this video, and I'm going to be showing this as well on my channel, how to do 13. So my channel might not be called this, but that's my how to do one. Do you get what I mean? I've got 2 channels, so I'm going to be showing it on my how to do 13 as well as this, just because like I've searched on vidIQ and it's in demand and it's a low competition. So there you go. Well, it was, now it's no good for you now, but it was. I've jumped there. Hey. Anyway, that's it for today. You all take care. Catch you on a rebound. Bye. Dum 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 dum.